Chapati's easy to make. Water, flour. We're making these huge chapati loaves. Do we need more water or is it fine?
I think some wheat.
Really? More flour? This is the amount of dough you need a commercial mixer for. This could have been enough dough for 100 pizzas, and it's all for Rangmala. Ah, you want it, eh? I'm gonna feed you, honey.
Your chapati is ready?
Chapatis are ready.
Wonderful. Good job.
Well, I mean, the one thing is that these elephants, they just throw the food down. I mean, the bananas, the pomegranates, you know, skin and all. They don't have to be peeled. So cooking the chapati bread, I mean, you have to be careful that it's cooled down because she'll throw this whole thing in. It's still warm, hot, and it will hurt her. Still hot. I could use a little bit of olive oil, though. Due pomodorini, a couple of tomatoes, Rangmala. I think she just burped. I think she's happy. Her ears are flapping, her tail's waving, and she liked my chapati bread. Oh, what do you want, chapati? Look at she.
She's appreciating your meal.
They're just these big, gentle creatures. And it's like a really surreal connection. It's like this, the eye contact that she makes with you is pretty amazing.